This is AYAM CEMANI. That boy solid black. From head to toe, from organs and everything. From the beak on down, that boy got it on lock. You got you a rat. Boy got him a rat. Now AYAM CEMANI said he wants some of that rat. Ooh, they gonna fight over that rat. They kill rats, they kill snakes. That pretty strong buzzard right there. You look like a pheasant. You a pheasant or you a flower sniffer? Yeah, you got y'all some snakes, huh, buddy? Yeah, y'all killed y'all them some business. They ain't eating none of y'all eggs, are they? Oh, you see, that's how y'all do it. Y'all rip it apart. Y'all use each other to rip them mices apart. Yeah, you get them mices, man. You sure are pretty with all them dang colors you got there.